Back it up slow, watch the left side, keep it coming. We need to process this row before the next shipment arrives. The rust is heavy here.
Understood. I've logged the contamination levels on the tablet.
Look at the aluminum composition on chassis 7. It's higher than the projection. Reroute it to line 4.
Every reusable vehicle component is carefully separated before the car enters the crushing process. Vehicle glass is separated and processed independently to maximize recycling efficiency and material recovery.
These powerful industrial shredders can tear entire vehicle bodies into small, recyclable metal fragments. Powerful hydraulic crushers can flatten entire vehicles in just seconds, preparing them for the next stage of recycling. These giant industrial crushers transform entire cars into compact steel blocks, ready for shredding and melting. At full capacity, these shredding systems process tons of vehicle metal every hour, preparing it for advanced separation and recycling. Copper is one of the most valuable materials recovered from old vehicles, making advanced separation systems essential for modern recycling factories. At temperatures exceeding thousands of degrees, recycled vehicle steel transforms into molten metal, ready for purification and new production. Advanced refining technology removes impurities from recycled steel, creating high-quality metal ready for new industrial products. Advanced rolling technology transforms purified molten steel into strong, high-quality steel beams used in construction and manufacturing worldwide.